like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us. Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. When you need a check balance, let me break it down for you. This the real nigga challenge. You caught future when you didn't see the club. What? No, baby, help you get your lingo up. What? 21, get your false street cred. They up make you feel like you a slime in your head. What? Quavo said you could be from north side. Got 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need the truth of the matter. It was God's plan to show y'all the liar. He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a freaky ass nigga. He a 69 guy.
Who wants you? You like the first piece of bread, bitch. Everybody wants a sandwich, but nobody wants you. So pass the plate. This bitch fucking with me. The only way you gonna get laid is to crawl up a chicken ass. Wait, hey, pimp of the year back. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. I down with the bitch.